Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how we are up over $990 in the past 2 days of swing trading. We're going to be talking about our entry point, our exit, and our risk management. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you do, hit that like button, subscribe. But if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, how to find these stocks, our strategies, our approach, everything when it comes with navigating the world of swing trading, check out our school. It's awesome. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat. But, more importantly, what we actually do is teach you to trade. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies that I've used over the past 7 years of swing trading. So check it out down below. And we have our awesome Black Friday sale going on that you guys have been absolutely loving. So make sure you guys check it out down below. Code Black Friday for 51% off, which is the largest sale we've done. So if you want to invest in yourself, check out the school. And guys, let's jump into this here. So looking at our broker here as we pull it up here, if I can ever get it ready. So looking at our broker here, you guys will notice that, we took a nice trade here on ticker symbol MLI. Now, MLI here, when looking at the daily chart, what do we notice? The daily chart with this stock here, it had heavy support here on this blue line. Now, this blue line is what we call a 90-day moving average line. So what this means is it acts as trend indication, so you can look at it and instantly know the direction of the stock, as well as support and resistance. When the stock is below it, you guys can see where it hits it, and we just have that resistance. Where it hits it, and we have that sell-off, right? Establishing resistance several times here. Now, recently, it hit it and classified it as support, as you guys can tell, right in here. And then we continue to let this thing rally, hit it again, forming that nice support level again on that 90-day moving average line. And then here, what we saw here is the stock just get this general downward trend going from about $96 all the way down to near and around the $77 mark, which, for a stock that's, gone up that much, getting this much sell-off could be a little nerve-wracking, right? But I never get scared of sell-off. I've always looked at sell-off as opportunity. So given that the stock is sold off, near and around 20%, I think that represents an absolute for sale sign to look at this position. Now, looking at the hourly here, what do we notice? The stock formed really hard support near and around the $77, $76 mark, but also it did have, just this general downward trend. And this is where we kind of brought notice, right? If we remove these moving average lines, we got in on this nice breakout here, and the stock has been rallying its way up. So looking at this risk management wise, getting in on that breakout, let's pull up our risk management tool because this is super important. Getting in on that breakout, setting our stop loss just below the lower wick here, so about 2% for possible push up to like these 90, to $96 mark would give us 6-to-1 risk and reward, which is really, really good. So we're risking $1 to make over $6 in, 17 cents. Now, you might be saying, Carter, what's the big deal with that, right? If you guys were starting out swing trading and starting out trading here with a small amount of money, right? If you guys were starting out with even $100, and after the new year, we are restarting our $500 account challenge. I think we're going to start with $100. So let me know what you guys think of that in the comments. If you guys want me to do that, hit that like button and comment yes so I know. So, if we're starting out with $100, we take one trade a week, risking about 2% with a 6.17 risk versus reward with a 50% win loss. Guys, we're over $1,200 at the end of the year. Now, even if you're not even that good of a trader with 40%, at the end of the year, $500. Even if you're a worse trader at 30%, right? You've doubled your money. With 20%, I think is about break even. Yeah, you're still profitable. And that's the thing, right? Risk management is crucial. So looking at your risk versus reward is so incredibly important. And this is the exact reason why I love MOOMOO, which is this broker, because they have this tool so I can plan out all this. I can plan out my entry, my stop loss, my target, which is super, super important. And then plus with my journaling here, you guys can see here that this past week here, we're already up $996 a share. And if you guys want that digital journal, I'll put it down below. But having good risk management is crucial to your trading. On top of that, when you're right with the stock, don't be afraid to add more to your position. But when you're wrong, just cut your losses. You know, that's kind of what we did here with TXN. I haven't looked at it today, so it's probably up, you know, but you know, looking at this here, you know, this stock, one of the reasons we got in, let's go ahead and look at the daily. Let's get our moving average lines back up. So one of the reasons why we got in on this is because of this, right? It hit that 200-day moving average line where it classified it as support in the past. You know, looking at you know, this trend line, I probably should have waited longer, right? I should have waited longer. We got in on this trend for a push going up. You know, we did make and cover a little bit of profit on this, and it just dipped down, didn't pan out, and now we cut our losses on this breakdown. And that's the thing, right? When you're wrong, you're wrong. But when you're right, be right? Don't be afraid to go a little heavier. Get in on a support line and go from there, guys. So hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. And if you guys want to sign up with our school, I'll put it down below. If you guys want to sign up with MOOMOO, I'll put it down below. And if you guys want our digital trading journal, I'll put that down below. So guys, hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.